Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to log in to Telegram without a phone number in 2025. If you're all about privacy or just don't have a phone handy, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you want to do this? Well, Telegram usually requires a phone number for verification, but in 2025, there are some clever workarounds using virtual numbers and alternative methods. Remember, always prioritize your online security and check if these options comply with Telegram's policies. Step 1. Start by heading to a reliable virtual phone number service. Sites like TextNow, Google Voice, or specialized apps can provide temporary numbers for free or a small fee. These are easy to use and keep your real info private. Step 2. Once you have a virtual number, download the latest Telegram app from the official website or app store. Open it and select the option to sign up or log in. When it asks for a phone number, enter your virtual one instead. Step 3. Telegram will send a verification code to that virtual number. Quickly check your virtual services inbox. Most apps notify you instantly. Enter the code in Telegram, and boom, you're in. But wait, there's more. In 2025, Telegram might have expanded options like email verification for certain accounts, so keep an eye on their updates. Always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra safety. One quick tip: if you're using this for a new account, make sure the virtual number isn't flagged or overused, as Telegram could block it. And if you run into issues, double-check the service's compatibility with Telegram. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to log in without sharing your real phone number. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe online.